Attention fellow sledheads, who wants to join me on an exclusive trip to Quebec where we'll get to tour the Skidoo factory, visit the J. Armand Bombardier Museum, and then see and possibly ride the 2025 Skidoos? Somebody's going to get that chance, and it could be you. Snowgoer is looking for a passionate Skidoo enthusiast who is active on social media. All you have to do to enter is this. Simply go to snowgoer.com/sgguest and fill out our entry form. And then you make a video telling us why you are the perfect one for this adventure. Now, the video doesn't have to be that complicated. Simply turn that phone around and tell us and your social media followers why you are the perfect candidate for this opportunity. All rules are on that same website, snowgoer.com/sgguest. All entries and videos need to be posted by January 15th, and that will be here before you know it. And it could be you.